major difference in hair and wool sheep. This is a baby doll sheep. You can see her wool. She will not shed. The hair sheep here, they absolutely my favorite animal. They'll shed all that hair off come springtime, as they're already starting to do. You can see on the fences and the trees where they rub up against it and get it all off. But here as soon as it warms up, this great Ohio weather, they'll be slick as ever. Rosie's calf back there. These are just a couple of hair sheep. A lot of neat colors in our babies this year. A lot of twins, several triplets, several nice babies. Not many rams this year. Here's one of our rams. There's another one right there. Look at the calf. Burning off some of Mama's milk. But we really appreciate everybody's support, and if you'll give us a like, subscribe, share everything you do, we sure appreciate it.